America is in the midst of a serious health crisis. Despite incredible advances in medicine, obesity and diabetes rates continue to rise, and healthcare costs continue to skyrocket.
Almost 40% of Americans are obese, and over 20% of children are now obese. Obesity is a risk factor for many health conditions and diseases, including diabetes. Currently, 1 out of 11 Americans are diabetic. When diabetes is combined with obesity, health risks increase greatly.
The good news is there are small steps that can be taken to make a huge impact on your overall health. Believing a healthy employee is a more productive employee, some forward-thinking companies are offering on-site medical screenings for early detection and prevention of disease to improve employee health and their bottom line.
When employees are sick, your business actually suffers because a sick employee is a less productive employee. Studies have shown that the ROI on corporate wellness is anywhere from 3 to 1 to 14 to 1. So every dollar that you spend falls straight to the bottom line in savings by avoiding healthcare claims.
A certified women's business enterprise established in 2003 and headquartered just outside Dallas, Texas, Star Wellness provides forward-thinking companies accessible, affordable, safe, comprehensive, and proactive health assessments on-site for their employees. We will help you take charge of your health and wellness by delivering biometric screenings, vaccinations, and vascular ultrasounds to employees at the workplace.
Our mission is to save lives through the early detection and prevention of disease. Taking the screenings directly to employees in the workplace allows us to do that. We provide state-of-the-art services. Our ultrasound equipment is the same that is used by the U.S. government. It's the same that is used by NASA. Our blood work is routinely sent to LabCorp requests, so it's exactly the same as if you ordered it through your doctor. So it allows an opportunity for employees that otherwise would not get any healthcare services throughout the year to have some basic screenings done.
In a single 5 to 8 minute appointment, Star Wellness's on-site testing can screen for 7 top healthcare plan expenses. This results in cost savings to our customers and the empowerment of the individual with their personal health information. We save lives every month by alerting people to health conditions they didn't know existed.
In 2008, I took part in an on-site scan, and while we were doing the scan, the technician asked me if I had been told that I had something on my thyroid. I had not. I had just done my annual exam a month before, and everything was fine, so I had no idea. It finally was determined that I needed to have surgery and have my thyroid removed. I had the left side removed, and upon the pathology coming back on that, they determined that not only did I have thyroid cancer, I had 2 of the 4 forms of thyroid cancer. But all along, I, again, had felt fine. I really feel like the early detection saved my life because I truly did feel fine and have no idea when it would have been determined that I had cancer, how much longer I would have walked around with that cancer in me, and at that time when it was finally detected, what the outcome would have looked like. Star Wellness, specifically Angie who did my screening, I always tell people that I consider her my angel because she was the one who showed me the picture, showed me on the screen the nodule, and basically saving my life. You know, I'm just very grateful that the outcome is what it was and that I'm doing well today.
We see a lot of opportunities for the city and for the employee as well, because when we have employees that are, younger and they kind of think they're invincible and they don't have a doctor, if we can get them into the health fair where it's a non-threatening environment and they can get some blood work done, that way if they have something, they can then see a doctor. For us, it's a big deal because we care about our employees. They're not just people to us. They're like family. We also have seen a lot of things that have been diagnosed: high blood pressure, diabetes. We had one of our employees diagnosed with prostate cancer, and he would have never known had he not gotten the blood work done through Star Wellness. And we've used them for, at least the past 10 years or so, and we wouldn't change our vendor at all.
The most important thing to remember is employees want to feel like they are appreciated. By offering the screenings on site, you do that. It's a feel-good feeling for employees, but it's also significantly helping your bottom line. The best part of my job is when someone I see at a health fair and they come up to me and they give me a big bear hug and say, "Thank you. It's because of what you did last year that I'm even here today. My doctor said I was 1 heartbeat away from a stroke." Or, "You caught my cancer and it was still in stage 1. My doctor was surprised because he had missed it. I had just had my annual physical 3 or 4 weeks before." And that you can't put a dollar sign on.
For more information, go to starwellnessusa.com or call 800-685-5572.